What's up everyone? Today's video I'm going to show you how to connect the i11 TWS to a Samsung phone using Android 10. So to get started, there's some things we want to check before getting these into pairing mode and setting it up with our Samsung phone. So first things first, we are of course going to open up the case lid, and you want to keep it open. And to the back of the case there is a button right here which we are going to press one time. And when you press it one time, you're going to see that they both light up in red to the very base. And make sure they're both lit in red. And the reason for this is this tells us that the whole time they were actually picking up the charge. So with that said and done, you'll take them out of the case, and then you'll notice they both flash in the pairing state mode, but then one of them remains in a pairing state. You can see the left side is in the pairing mode state, and that means they have synced into each other and now ready for connection to a device. Now next up, on your Samsung phone, you can use the drop down menu, and when you find the Bluetooth icon, you can just simply long press it. So you're going to hold it down right there. So hold it down, and that'll take you straight into the main Bluetooth settings. And go ahead and turn it on. And as you turn it on, like other Samsung phones, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. You'll see i11 show up. And if you have two i11s show up, that means you did something wrong along the way and you want to repeat the process. But if it shows up as one, just tap on it. You'll get the pairing request. And as you tap on it and it connects, it will show you that it's connected. You'll also see that none of them are flashing in blue and red, which means you have successfully connected them. Like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel. Thanks for watching.